Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to explore the topic of why people earn tons of money with oil. Oil has been a crucial resource for human civilization, and it remains a key driver of the global economy. Let's dive in and explore the reasons why oil can be so profitable. High demand and limited supply. One of the main reasons why people earn tons of money with oil is the high demand and limited supply. Oil is a finite resource, and it's becoming increasingly difficult to find and extract. As a result, the price of oil can be volatile and subject to global events and supply disruptions. However, despite this volatility, the demand for oil remains high. Oil is used to power everything from cars to airplanes to heating systems. And it's a crucial raw material in the production of plastics, chemicals, and other industrial products. As countries around the world continue to grow and develop, the demand for oil is only going to increase. At the same time, the supply of oil is limited. Many of the world's most productive oil fields are in decline, and new discoveries are becoming more and more rare. This means that the cost of extracting and refining oil is going up, and it's becoming more difficult and expensive to meet the global demand for oil. This combination of high demand and limited supply is what makes oil such a valuable and profitable commodity. Globalization and industrialization. Another reason why people earn tons of money with oil is globalization and industrialization. As countries continue to develop and grow their economies, they need more energy to power their industries and transportation. Oil is still one of the most efficient and cost-effective sources of energy, which makes it a valuable commodity in the global market. Furthermore, the rise of globalization and international trade has created a global market for oil. Oil-producing countries can sell their oil to buyers all over the world, which means that they have access to a much larger market and can charge higher prices for their oil. This has helped to make oil one of the most valuable and profitable commodities in the world. Geopolitics and power. The oil industry is also tied to geopolitics and power. Countries that have abundant oil reserves often have significant political and economic influence on the global stage. This can lead to conflicts and power struggles, but it also means that oil-rich countries can earn significant profits from their resources. For example, the Middle East is home to some of the world's largest oil reserves. And many of these countries have used their oil wealth to build up their infrastructure and economies. The United States is also a major player in the global oil industry. And it has used its influence to secure access to oil resources in other parts of the world. However, the geopolitical aspect of the oil industry can also be a double-edged sword. Countries that rely heavily on oil exports for their revenue can be vulnerable to changes in the global oil market. And they may experience significant economic and political instability if the price of oil falls too low. Technology and innovation. The oil industry has also benefited from technology and innovation. New drilling techniques, such as hydraulic fracturing, have opened up previously inaccessible oil reserves, which has increased the global supply and driven down the cost of oil production. Additionally, advancements in refining and transportation have made oil more accessible and efficient to use. The use of technology and innovation has also helped the oil industry to become more efficient and sustainable. For example, many oil companies are investing in renewable energy sources and working to reduce their carbon footprint. This is important because as the world becomes more conscious about climate change, there is increasing pressure on industries, including the oil industry, to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions and shift towards more sustainable practices. So there you have it, the reasons why people earn tons of money with oil. It's a combination of high demand and limited supply, globalization and industrialization, geopolitics and power, and technology and innovation. However, the oil industry also faces challenges and risks, including fluctuating prices, political instability, and environmental concerns. As the world continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see how the oil industry adapts and changes to meet the needs of a changing world. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more informative videos like this one.